Experience the future with SpaceX's Starship. Witness a new era of space exploration unfolding. The SpaceX Starship, designed for Mars colonization, isn't just a dream anymore. The Starship's innovative design is a juxtaposition of simplicity and cutting-edge technology. A reusable spaceship, it's a game-changer in space missions. Marvel at its powerful Raptor engines, propelling Starship beyond Earth's boundaries. Speed and efficiency are its hallmarks, making interplanetary travel more feasible. Picture a spacious cabin, built to sustain human life during long-haul missions. A home away from home, Starship prioritizes safety and comfort. Imagine the potential of this vessel. The Starship could transform Mars colonization from a distant fantasy into an attainable reality. Join us on this revolutionary journey. With the SpaceX Starship, we're bridging the gap between humanity and the cosmos.